Hello everybody. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing for today is we need to make sure that each row matches the rows over here. So for example, baking powder will be this line here, and we need 4 of them, so we need to see about 4 of them. There you go. And then baking soda will be row 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right after we're gonna have cornstarch, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the way at the bottom we're gonna have sodium chloride, so that's row 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so all these need to be filled with the appropriate powder, so I am gonna do that in a moment. Okay, so you can see that baking powder has its own spoon. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna use this. Well, there's one in there, so I'm just gonna use the one that's in there. So we're gonna fill it up. Notice that that's a little bit too much, so we're gonna even it out. Okay. All right, so it's kind of even. You should be able to see the circle. You kind of see the circle there. So we're gonna drop it into the baking powder. So mix it to three, 4. That is the baking powder. The next thing is we're gonna add water, vinegar, and iodine. So this one would be your water, this one would be your vinegar, and this one would be your iodine. This one you don't put anything on. This is your control. So this will be your control. So I'm gonna close this because we did baking powder. The next thing is baking soda. So here we go. I'm gonna open this up. Notice that I almost made a mistake. Oh no, this is the right spoon. This was on here. I almost made a mistake. You have to make sure that you keep the right spoon with the right container, because otherwise you're gonna contaminate your evidence. So in this case, I'm gonna go in there. I have my baking soda, 1. There you go. 2. 3. And 4. I'm gonna put back the spoon inside the container, close it, and then move on to the next one, which is cornstarch. So I'm gonna do the same thing. So this is a new spoon. I'm gonna, that is too much, keep shaking it. Okay, you can see the circle there. So that is gonna be our cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then I'll put the spoon in there, close it up. That is done. And the last one is sodium chloride. So now we're gonna fill up the last one. New spoon. sodium chloride. 1. 2. 3. And 4. Okay, put the spoon back. And now I'm ready to add the next thing, which is the water, the vinegar, and the iodine. So here's my vinegar, here's my water, and here's my iodine. So it tells me to add 10 drops to the waters, and then I'm gonna write my observations here. So in this case, I am gonna add water. So 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see I added 1 extra, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna look at this, and I can either say it's a clear liquid or a cloudy liquid. So I'm gonna try to zoom in here. Nope, opposite way. So you can see there that it's a cloudy liquid. It is not clear. So then I would go onto my worksheet and I would write A. Right here, I would write it's cloudy. Cloudy. And then I would do the same thing. I would add water for all of these, and then I would do this next one, which is vinegar. And then I'm gonna add vinegar to all of these. And then iodine to every single one. And I'll write down what I see, one at a time. So the next one was, I'm still in, so now I'm looking at this and I don't see that there wasn't any bubbles. So I'm gonna write no bubbles when I pour the water. So no bubbles. Okay, so that starts that one. And then I'm going to use my magnifying glass to do A, portion A. So my magnifying glass is right here. And so I will place it on here, over it. So I place it over it, look in, and I will notice that it's powdery. Now I already know because I have done this before, so it's powdery. Okay. And so you're gonna do this for every single one.